Hello guys, you are watching Waves Classroom. As you know, TCS Elevate Wings on program is being happy to move Ninja to digital. So we are conducting the Technical Tech 12 Selenium previous year questions and important MCQ. So the first question is, which is the not part of the Selenium component? So which is the not part of the Selenium component? So option A is Selenium IDE, Selenium RC, Selenium Grid, and Selenium Web. So Selenium IDE, RC, and Grid is a part of Selenium. So Selenium Web is the not part of the Selenium component. So the correct option is Selenium Web. So second question, which language of the Selenium not supported by Selenium RC? So which language not support? ASP, Java, C has PHP. So C has Java, PHP is supported by Selenium RC, but ASP.NET not supported by Selenium RC. So then the third question, who does not support the programming? So Selenium, which component does not support the programming? Selenium WebDriver, Selenium Grid, Selenium RC, Selenium IDE. So Selenium IDE not supports the programming. So number 4, select the name which is not the type of the locator. So which is the not the type of locator? ID, name, password, linked. So ID, name, linked is the part of the locator, but the password is the not part of the locator. So password is the correct answer. So last question. So is the WebDriver a component of Selenium? So Selenium component is a WebDriver. So WebDriver is definitely a component, an important component. So option A is the correct answer. Thanks for watching. If you need this type of content, please like, share, subscribe to my channel. Bye.